These 5 keyboard shortcuts will save you hours of time in Premiere Pro. Tip 1. Let's say you've zoomed in like this on this clip, but you want it on there. Instead of just seeing what it is and repeating it, you can copy, pressing Ctrl Z, and then paste it, pressing Ctrl V, and then it will zoom in. It's really useful and I use it quite a lot. If I'm zooming in on one certain bit for a while, I've cut up quite a lot of my clip. Tip 2. Just before the bonus tip, if you want to undo it, just press Ctrl Z if you didn't know that. But anyway, on with tip 2. So, if you want to move across your clip or by frame, instead of just moving your playhead like this, you can use your arrow keys. So the down one moves it forward, up one moves it backwards, and then the side ones move it by frame, which could be really useful if you want to cut up a certain bit of your clip. Tip 3, let's say you've gone like this with your clips. You can undo it by pressing like Ctrl Z. If you want to redo it, you press Ctrl Shift Z, and then it will redo what you've just done. Tip 4 is making a bin. Instead of just pressing right click, new bin, naming it whatever, if you just press Ctrl B, that just makes a bin, name it whatever. I'll just put hi, and then you can just put whatever you want in there. That's just saved me quite a bit of time. Tip 5 is zooming in and out of the timeline, so make sure that you're pressed on it. If you hold on to Alt and then you scroll your mouse wheel, which is just really useful and it saves so much time. Watch this video next if you want to, subscribe.